If you're encountering a TikTok error, video contains misleading content, you can try the following solutions. Here are some possible ways to fix the TikTok error: video contains misleading content. Follow these steps. 1. Review your video content carefully. Carefully review your video content to ensure it doesn't violate TikTok's community guidelines, which prohibit posting videos that are deceptive or misleading. This includes videos that promote false or misleading information, such as scams, phishing attempts, or fake news, dangerous or harmful. This includes videos that promote dangerous or harmful activities, such as self-harm, drug abuse, or illegal activities. Hateful or discriminatory. This includes videos that promote violence, hatred, or discrimination against individuals or groups based on their race, ethnicity, religion, gender, sexual orientation, or other protected characteristics. Sexually explicit or suggestive. This includes videos that are pornographic in nature or exploit, abuse, or endanger children. 2. Remove any misleading elements. If you find any misleading elements in your video, such as exaggerated claims, false information, or misleading visuals, remove them before re-uploading the video. 3. Edit your video to provide context. If your video contains potentially misleading content without providing sufficient context, edit the video to add context and clarity. This could involve providing additional information, disclaimers, or explanations to help viewers understand the content accurately. 4. Appeal the error to TikTok. If you believe that your video was incorrectly flagged for containing misleading content, you can appeal the error to TikTok. To do this, go to your video's Insights page and tap the Appeal button. 5. Contact TikTok support. If you've tried all of the above steps and are still experiencing the error, contact TikTok support for further assistance. Here are some additional tips to avoid getting the video contains misleading content error. Be factual and accurate in your videos. Avoid making unsubstantiated claims or presenting misleading information. Use credible sources and fact-check your information before publishing videos. Avoid sensationalizing or exaggerating claims. Don't exaggerate or sensationalize your content to attract views. Present information in a balanced and responsible manner. Provide context and explanations. If your video covers sensitive or potentially misleading topics, provide context and explanations to help viewers understand the content accurately. Be mindful of the visuals you use. Avoid using misleading or manipulated visuals that could distort reality or convey false information. Follow TikTok's community guidelines. Familiarize yourself with TikTok's community guidelines to ensure your videos comply with their policies. By following these guidelines and creating factual, responsible, and context-rich content, you can minimize the risk of encountering the video contains misleading content error and ensure your videos reach a wider audience.